Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are well. Today we will try to solve this problem. Watch the full video. First click on settings. Then scroll down a little and click on about. After going to about, click on advanced settings. After going to advanced settings, click on settings. Click advanced tab. Click change. If the above option is checked, uncheck it. If your computer has 16 GB of RAM, you can make these settings. Then click on set. If your computer has less than 16 GB of RAM, meaning like 8 GB of RAM, then you can adjust these settings. After complete all the steps, restart your computer. If you are new to YouTube channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.